Hello guys, so she ordered for 2 industrial Emel sewing machine, 2 manicure, 1 for her and 1 for the birthday gift to her friend. So she got Rivet machine, steam iron, push-up bra cup, peer setting machine, and fancy head. So since she was getting it, I had to give her a pin cushion for free as a birthday gift, so she can use to save the pin, so it's not lost fast. So this was when my job man was packing the goods on his truck to take it to the park. As you can see, it was tied very well to avoid it dropping along transit.
Yeah. From baby Neraya, aka Nene baby.
Cry, baby. Very good. I clear your face.
It's only many minutes.